And here's another American made quality product. Courier again, or American company, not maybe made. Check this out. So in transportation, look at these coils. See how this, it looks like a child took this apart. Instead of leaving it coiled and equally spaced or it doesn't move anything, this looks like some meth addict took it apart. And look right here where it's rubbing on the metal. In transportation, you already can see the wear marks starting. So when you have the blower motor, this vibrates a little bit. There's a little oscillation. And if a blower motor ever goes out of balance, then as this case wobbles and this expands and contracts, it constantly rubs against the copper here minutely, and this is where you get a rub out point. Right here, you see where these two copper pieces touching right there? That's going to be a rub out point. See this right here, right off the expansion valve where you have the coil and then you have it coming off down here? That'll be a rub out point. So I'll bend all those in a nice way where it doesn't touch the case from the inside. It doesn't touch here, it doesn't touch none of the coils, and nothing has to touch itself. Those are all future failures. And that's what you get when you buy an American company product anymore.